Hi, I'm Leon Wong, Training Engagement Manager here at Sync Energy, and welcome to the EV Charger training series. In this video, I'm going to introduce the Sync Energy EV Charger, explain where it sits within our range, but more importantly, walk you through what's changed, what hasn't, and what that means for you on site as an installer. By the end of this video, you'll understand how the new EV charger compares to previous Sync Energy chargers, why this update is about refinement and not reinvention, and where the most meaningful improvements have been made from an installation point of view. If you've installed a Sync Energy wall charger before, this product should feel very familiar, and that's intentional. From the outside, with the fascia fitted, the EV charger looks almost identical to the previous generation. But once you get beneath the surface, that's where the evolution starts to show. This isn't a reset, this is the next iteration of a proven staple product, refined through real-world installs and installer feedback. The biggest changes with the EV charger aren't about what it does, they're about how it's installed, tested and serviced. You'll see improvements in how the charger mounts to the wall, how supply and CT wiring is terminated, how testing is carried out before commissioning, and how the charger protects itself once it's installed. Individually, these are small refinements. Together, they make the installation process cleaner, quicker, and more confidence-inspiring on site. What hasn't changed is just as important. The EV charger still delivers up to 7.4 kilowatts on a single phase AC, Wi-Fi and Ethernet as standard, a Type 2 socket with auto locking, built-in RCD with open protection, full smart functionality through the Sync Energy app. And if you're familiar with commissioning previous Sync Energy chargers, that process remains the same. One important thing to be aware of, especially if you're used to our earlier models, is first power-up behaviour. On this charger, seeing a red light when power is first restored is completely normal. At this stage, the charger is in anti-tamper mode and expects you to carry out an electrical test first. You'll test the RCD using the button on the front of the charger. Complete your electrical checks, fit the fascia, and then move on to the commissioning in the app. We'll cover that in detail later in the series, but it's worth knowing up front. It's also worth stepping back for a moment and looking at what this charger represents. What you're fitting here isn't a brand new, unproven product. It's a staple charger, one that's been invested in, refined and matured over time by a reputable manufacturer backed by a much wider group. Every iteration has been about learning from real installs and making a good product better. And while today you might be fitting home charging, this charger is also a gateway to the wider Sync Energy ecosystem. Because tomorrow, that same customer might be thinking about solar, battery storage, or a full home energy management system. And that's where the value of one app, one ecosystem really comes into play. The Sync Energy app was one of the most significant updates the charger has ever received. Designed to make installation faster, everyday use simpler, and to open the door to the broader portfolio of smart energy solutions for both homeowner and installers. This latest round of refinements is the next step to that journey. You're not just fitting a better charger, you're installing a platform that's ready to grow with your customer. It's the same great product people already know and trust, now refined to take it from good to great. Across this training series, we'll cover what's in the box and an overview of the charger, step-by-step installation using the new bracket system, commissioning and handover using the Sync Energy app, and practical tips to help you get in and out of site smoothly. Each video focuses on one clear objective, so you can dip in exactly where you need to. For full documentation, updates and additional resources, make sure you're registered via the Sync Energy Installer portal. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future updates as the product and app continues to evolve. And if you're installing Sync Energy chargers on site, share a photo of your latest install using #SyncInstall for a chance to enter our monthly prize draw and see the latest installer promotions. We're always listening, so drop us a comment below and let us know what matters most when you're fitting an EV charger, or what you'd like us to improve next. Join me in the next video where we'll take a closer look at what's included in the box and walk through the key elements of the EV charger before installation begins. Thanks for watching and join us in the next video.